Have you heard of DNA?
Yes.
Do we all have DNA, or do some of us have D or A, but not both?
No, it's not D and A. It's 3 letters, DNA.
Can you tell by looking at me whether I have DNA?
Well, I know you have DNA because you're a living organism, and all life has DNA.
My mate Paul tried to create a new life form by inserting his DNA into a grapefruit, but halfway through the experiment, the greengrocer started hitting him. Why is science so controversial?
Sorry, that question didn't follow from your story of the DNA.
No, it changed, yeah. Shall we move on to more hardcore scientific stuff? Okay, so ghosts. When a human body dies, which hole does the ghost come out of, north or south?
I don't regard ghosts as a hard scientific subject, I'm afraid.
Let me tell you something. Don't dismiss it. In 2021, my Aunt Carol got engaged to a man called Bob Collins. But one day, he just vanished and cleared out a bank account. And when she looked up the name Bob Collins, she discovered he'd died in 1958. He'd been a ghost all along.
Could it not just have been someone impersonating Bob Collins?
No, there were photos of Bob Collins in 1958, and he looked totally different, which proves he'd disguised himself so she wouldn't know he was a ghost. You can't explain it, can you? It's terrifying.
Isn't the easier answer that he doesn't look like him because it's a different person altogether?
No, it's a ghost. Why do people say the universe came out of a big bag?
I think you mean Big Bang.
A big bag that went bang?
No, just a big bang, no bag.
Has anyone ever claimed responsibility for the Big Bang?
It just happened.
So we're no nearer finding a culprit. What's the point of atoms? You know, do we really need them, or could we just do without?
We do really need them because we're made of atoms. Everything in the world is made of atoms. So without them, we wouldn't be here.
Are eyes made of atoms?
Yes.
Because my mate Paul did ketamine once, and he said he started counting all the atoms in his eyes. Then he tried to eat a towel and he ended up in hospital.
Okay.
Are my feet made of atoms?
Yes. I mean, I could save you the bother by
Everything
you say.
Everything.
All stuff is made of atoms.
Are thoughts made of atoms?
Well, no, thoughts are.
Well, there you go then.
Okay, but thought, okay.
People worry a lot about AI. What about you?
You mean, am I worried about?
No, I mean, should they worry about you?
I hope not. I hope not. I mean, people are worried about artificial intelligence because they think maybe one day it'll replace us human beings. I'm a human being. Why should they be worried about me?
No, the letter U. They're all vowels, aren't they?
Oh,
A-I-U. What does the U in AI stand for?
There isn't a U in AI.
So it's a secret then, the computer's hidden it. Have you ever stopped to wonder about how you could watch more of this sort of thing? You know, more hard-hitting questions and more standing near impressive locations before the shot cuts away to some archive of that stuff that doesn't exist anymore, or was too expensive to film at. Well, there's more on BBC iPlayer, apparently. Do I get paid extra for that?